All right. What's up, Bobo? And Diesel. And Molly. And Ava. Come on, guys. Let's go this way. So, dog park's closed today. COVID-19 bullshit. But I am on the shoreline right next to the dog park. There's the beach is on the other side of that peninsula there. And the dog park would be over that way, kind of across the street. I did kind of crawl under a barrier to get over here, but I don't give a shit. My dogs need to come out and run around and play. It's so weird. Look at this. It's all little pieces of pottery. And I touched all of them because I was worried that they might be sharp or something on the dog's feet. Come here, Bobo. But they're all smooth. I guess they've been out here so long. It's weird. This place is trippy. It sounds funny when everyone walking through here. Come on, little buddy. You want me to carry you? Bobo, you want me to carry you? Come on, I'll carry you. Gotcha. Okay. Now I'm going to have to do this with one. I'm going to go up here. I found a trail. Okay. I'm sure you guys know where we are by those radio towers there. Anyone that knows the Bay Area pretty well knows what's up. Come on. Probably shouldn't go up to this road. This is what's going to get me in trouble. All right, let's go this way. Diesel, come here. Here's Bobo. Where's the other one? Ava! Ava Braun! Heel! Good home. All right. Everybody's here. Yeah, everybody's here. Yeah, whatever. You don't like my singing? Don't quit your day job. Well, unfortunately, I was forced to quit my day job thanks to this fucking communist bullshit lockdown. I said it. Communist bullshit. Can't tell me I can't leave my fucking house. Fuck you. You're gonna lock me in jail first, which is probably what they're gonna end up doing. Oh, Diesel's hunting. This is funny. Hear that? He wants those bird things, whatever. I don't even know what they are. Shitty! You better wipe that ass. Come on, Bobo! Little buddy! Come on, Diesel, Ava, Molly, come here. Molly, come here, girl. Come on, Bobo. Come on, little buddy. It's getting windy out here. We are out at the point. Made it up to the park benches, huh? Molly, come here. Come on, stay here. Ava, come on. Ava's here with her dog. Come on. Molly, come on, girl. Come on, let's go back this way. Ava, come on. Diesel, heel. Diesel, heel. Molly, heel. Good girl. Diesel, come on, buddy. Oh, it's poopy time. Poopy time. He's like, why you gotta film me? I don't even think I'm gonna bother looking for that turd. Oh, Molly's going again? That dog shits so much. Molly will shit 5 times when you take her out. What about you, Ava? Haven't seen nothing fall out of your butt yet. I see people walking on that other point over there, where they have all the weird communist artwork. Oh, I hear the Star Wars cantina. On this phone. Mom. Hi, Mom. Our conversation's going to be on my YouTube video. I'm at Point Isabel making a video. Hang on, let me stop the video. I'm done. All right, everybody, that's my Corona Point Isabel video.